Hello students, I would like to thank you for your good response for all the activities which I have kept in my YouTube channel. Thank you. Activity 1. In this activity you have to fill in the blanks. There's a conversation given between Raj and Samir, okay, and Hitesh. You have to fill the blanks with simple using simple past tense or past continuous tense, okay. In activity 2 you have to find appropriate word, okay. There is a paragraph given, and in the paragraph there are options. In the another next slide there is option given. Go through the paragraph. There are, for each blank there are four options, okay. You have to select the appropriate options and fill in the blanks, okay. For example, the earth is one of the known planets that circle the sun in dash times, okay. The first option is modern, ancient, antique, past. To apply, you have to apply the appropriate form of the word. Activity 3. In this activity there is a passage given, okay. You, in each line there is a certain kind of mistake which may be related to grammar or which may be related to verb, okay. So identify the mistake, write down the mistake and write down the correct word. So this activity is very much helpful. I'm going to put a new session based on editing only in future, okay. In activity 4 you have to complete the sentence with little or few. It will give you understanding where to apply the word little or where to apply the word few, okay. In activity 5 you have to fill in the blanks with the most suitable word from the box, okay, and you have to use the word once only. Sam had taken his father's expensive pen out of its case. He was looking at it when it slipped and fell dash the floor. You have to select the correct option and write down answer. Each and every exercise answer key is given at the end of the session, okay. Activity 6. In this activity you have to fill in the blanks again with the correct form of the verb. This activity part number 4 is basically put emphasis on vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important part of the English. So here, for example, the wound he dash took several weeks to heal. There are two words. You have to apply the correct word. So it will improve your vocabulary skills, okay. Same thing, fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. You can use each word once only. There was thunderous dash when the two teams walked onto the field. Select the correct option, write down the answer and check your answer key, okay. Articles, okay, this is also now they are including in the parts of speech articles. So you have to fill in the blanks with a, an or the where necessary. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the word given in the bracket. You must read the dash carefully before you use the new oven. Instruct. So what will be the correct form of the verb? It may be prefix, it may be suffix. So what will be the proper form of the verb? So it will again improve your vocabulary skills. In this activity, basically activity part 4, I put more emphasis on vocabulary skills. It will improve your English understanding of lot of new words, okay. Students, thank you very much, really very much. I'm very much thankful to you for really appreciating my videos and getting more knowledge, and I would really like to thank for your such a beautiful comments. And for future updates, don't forget to subscribe and like and give your comments. If you want any kind of topic, any kind of suggestions, you can write in comment box. I will surely work on it.